So hey guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is going to ditch the TF sensor from its rear camera because of a lack of user interest and software improvements. It's a fair move to make, but one that could leave it open to attack from Apple's iPhone 12. A report by Korea Industry Post via Sam Mobile claimed that Samsung is considering the removal of this sensor from its next Galaxy Note phone. TF sensors are one of the several types of depth sensor cameras that don't take photos but help measure the distance between the phone and the objects you are shooting. This is useful for improving photo effect quality, notably bokeh style portrait effects. It's also used for augmented reality apps too. However, this is an expensive sensor with the functions that can also be achieved via software. The first Samsung phone to feature a TF sensor was the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G in 2019. This was then followed by the Galaxy Note 10 Plus at the end of the last year and by the Galaxy S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra this year. The Note 10 Plus was launched with a 3D modeling functions meant to show off the benefits of its 3D TF sensor. However, this feature was not widely used for well executed, requiring several updates to make it work properly. We are expecting Apple to add a LiDAR sensor to its iPhone 12 Pro models like it has just done with the iPad Pro 2020. LiDAR is similar technology to TF, but it is more advanced version of it. It's able to read and react faster to the environment in front of it and helps make using AR apps a far smoother experience. This could be a bad move for Samsung's photo quality in certain circumstances, which is already behind that of the iPhone in general. However, losing the TF sensor could decrease the manufacturing cost of the Note 20 and the Note 20 Ultra, giving it a potential price advantage over the new iPhone 12 series. Or it could free up resources to develop another features that might be more popular. The Galaxy Note 20 is likely coming in August this year alongside the Galaxy Fold 2. Expected upgrades include a 120Hz refresh rate display, new S Pen functionalities, a new exterior design similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy S20 series, and incremental improvements to the battery life and performance. So that is it in today's video guys. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think about this huge move by Samsung, and I'll see you in my next video.